Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see 20 lines essay on my school. Number 1. My school name is ZP School. Number 2. My school is located near my house. Number 3. This is one of the best school in my city. Number 4. My school is a big building with lots of rooms. Fifth, it has a big playground. Sixth, it also has a big computer lab. 7. My school teachers are very kind. 8. I have many friends at my school. 9. We learn about plants and animals in science class. 10. Every year we have a sports day with lots of fun games. 11. The campus of my school is very clean. 12. My school pays a lot of attention to both studies and sports. 13. I always like to go to school early in the morning. 14. Our school cafeteria has yummy snacks. 15. There are 40 teachers in my school. 16. My school has been ranked first due to greenery. Number 17. My school focuses on the knowledge of students. 18. The principal of my school is a very gentle person. 19. With studies, other social and cultural activities also happen in my school. Number 20. I love my school very much. Thank you watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.